What's up, what's up? Today I'm going to teach you how to make a clickable thumbnail like mrbeast himself. First thing to always have in mind when making a thumbnail is that you do not want to complicate things. Keep it simple, guys, or you are going to confuse your audience and they are going to feel overwhelmed and not click on your video. Would you click on your video that you don't understand what's about? Of course not. You need to be able to describe what your thumbnail tells about your video with one sentence. Look at mrbeast's thumbnail. You can easily describe what his thumbnail says about his video. For example, I put 1,000,000 orbs in my friend's backyard. Crazy, right? Just look at the thumbnail. It's just mrbeast surrounded by 1,000,000 orbs. Another one, going through the same drive-through 1,000 times. What the thumbnail tells us? That he's going through this drive-through for its 800th time. Damn, who wouldn't click in this? But we need to know that the video idea should be also good for people to click. Actually, it's the most important thing. But you need to have a good thumbnail so people actually will appreciate your effort for making such a great video. You should keep your thumbnail interesting and clickable, always. What do I mean by this? In most of mrbeast's thumbnails, he uses happy and exciting face expressions, and it's proven to be very successful. You should use intriguing titles, so it works well with your thumbnail. Use images that people are familiar with, because people actually click more on them. Look at this recent video mrbeast published. The thumbnail he used is just the subscribe button, guys. And how many views did he get? Millions, right? I mean, who is not familiar with this image? We all would immediately click on the subscribe button. The thumbnail should be eye-catching and should stand out. You can make your thumbnail stand out by using these 4 colors: blue, orange, green, and yellow. These are the colors that are going to make your thumbnail stand out. Last tip, don't mislead your audience into making a clickbaity thumbnail, because if you betray your audience one time, trust me, next time they're gonna see your thumbnail, they're gonna run away like they are scared from you. Anyways, always make your thumbnail small to check if you can understand it, because a lot of people are going to see it in their phones and it's going to be so small that it's hard to see what your thumbnail says. Anyways, these were my tips for making clickable thumbnails like mrbeast. Tell me in the comments which YouTuber should I analyze next. I really hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on for more helpful videos like this. Love you all, guys. See you in the next video.